Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like you all know that previously on we have covered up many of the projects using Android and Java, and I hope you are understanding that project. Like you all know, like with this tutorial based project, I'm also building the big projects like 1 to 2 hour project. Like we have built social media chat application, then like clones we have built like Facebook clone, Twitter clone, like that all stuff. So today we are just building an amazing project, and today I will be telling you that how you can build an amazing online food delivery application from start, and in this we will be using React.js here. I was thinking that we should be using Next.js in that, but I think that if you are a beginner and if a beginner want to learn how to build these amazing food delivery applications from start, so I think that we should use React.js in that. So because of that, now I've taken the decision that in this video I will be using React.js to build this amazing food delivery application from start. I hope you'll be understanding this video. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy how to build this amazing food application, you can suggest me in the comments like what projects I should build using React.js or any other language. So I will be building that also in future. So just now we'll be starting with our video from start and seeing that how we are building this amazing food delivery application using React.js from start, and what things we will be using in this video from start to end. So just like I'm telling you that in the start, like I will be just building an amazing online food ordering app, or you can say online food delivery app here. So this is our app which we are building here, and this is a really amazing app which we are just building through React.js. Like in the start, I'm telling you that I was thinking that I should make this application in Next.js, but then I just thought about like on my channel there are beginners also who want to learn about React.js, like they want to learn how to build applications using React.js, JavaScript, and that all language. So I just then think that we should build this application in React.js. Then if you do comments like on this video, if you want this video in the Next.js, you can do comments down in the video. Then I will be building this application same to same in Next.js as well. So it will be practice for you. Like you can also learn how to build this application in React.js, and you can also learn how to build this application in Next.js. So you can say this will be a two stuff which you will be learning. So first of all, now we'll be just seeing like how we are just building this application in React.js and what are the things included in this. So first of all, you can see we are just getting an amazing animation effect on our logo. You can see which is looking really awesome. I've just put this using Tailwind CSS because when we are using React.js with JavaScript, so we have to also use Tailwind CSS at the backend to give some styling effect here. So it is not looking good here in PC because it is an application, and you all know that when we create any application, it is only for mobile, not for PC. So because of that, when I'm opening it from PC, you can see there are really you can say really width buttons, and it is not looking good. If I press this get started button, you can see we are in our application. Here you can just select your country which you are getting. Like there are many of the countries, like every country of the world. Here it is, you can select any of your country from here. So like I select Pakistan like this, and then you can just give your phone number, then you can press send OTP. And if you don't need, means if you don't want to just write your number, or if you don't want to like add any OTP, you can just do one thing. You can move to your Google account and you can add your Google account here, and from Google account you can also sign in. Like if I press this, you can see it is taking me to the verify your phone number option, and it is saying me that enter your OTP here. Means you can get OTP here. It is the random OTP which I am getting here. When you will be getting your OTP, you can write your OTP like this. Then you have to press verify now. After pressing verify now, you can see it is showing you that discover place near you. Then it will be showing you some text like we make it simple to find the food you crave, enter your address, and then these are the sliders. If I show you like this, so you can slide it using mouse, you can see. Then if you want to skip this, you can press this skip button to skip that all stuff. Then you can just select this like hi, nice to meet you. Then it will be asking you to choose your location. You can press use current location, or you can select it manually. So I will be pressing use current location, and you can see when I press this, so it has taken me to my application. But you can see one thing, like it is not too much style, means that it is not looking good because we have just not built it PC or laptop friendly. We have only built it for mobile and for iPhones because it is a mobile application, and you all know that when we are building mobile applications, so it is only for mobile, not for PC. But we are seeing in PC, so because of that, it is looking not too much good. So if I just show you here, like if I show you in mobile responsive, so you can see this totally good looking in the mobile. You can see like how good looking is that we are getting all the sliders and effect. So if I move here and press right click on the inspect, you can see you will be getting it in mobile. You can see we are getting it in mobile, and it is looking really awesome. Means that it is totally styled, and we are getting all the things like we want in the mobile. Means when you will be seeing this application in mobile, so it will be looking really awesome. You can see this because we are just building this online food delivery app for mobile friendly, not for PC or laptop friendly here. So because of that, when we are opening it in PC, so we are not getting it too much good looking. So you can see we are just getting all the like stuff which we will be getting in this application of food delivery. Like you will be getting some of the things, and these are the checkout section which I am here. So in this checkout section, like when you will be pressing any of the product, you can see like I have pressed this, then you will be getting the name of your product, the rating of your product, then you will be getting here the delivery fees. Like if it is free, so you will be getting free, and if it is having the fees, so you will be getting the fees. And then this is the open time of this restaurant from where you are ordering, and then you can see we are also getting these things like we are also getting the customer review down. If I show you, you can see we are getting customer review as well down. You can see rating and reviews, and these are the customer reviews, and you can see how good looking is that. Then we are also getting diva comment. Like if you want to submit your comment, you can also write any comment like this is good. If I write my comment like this, and then you will be pressing submit comment. So after pressing submit, you will be also getting your comment here in the rating and review section. Then if you want to proceed to your checkout after just seeing all the stuff like it is good or not, so you can directly do one thing. You can just press this checkout, and then you can see we are in the checkout section. Now it will be showing you like how many like payment you have to pay. So it is saying me that $13.29 you have to pay. So I will be pressing pay button, and now you can just add it. Like if you want to just give payment through cash from your home, so you can press home, and if you want to give from work, you can select your address of work or select your address of home. Then you can press add new address to add. So from this you can add new address here. So if you want to press add new address, you can just add it, and you can add any other address here. And down we are just getting credit and debit card detail. Like if you want to just give payment through online, so you can just give your card number here, and you can write your CVV number, card name on card, and all that stuff. Then you can press pay 13.29. You can also do net banking like HDFC, ICICI, Axis. Means there are many of the banks you will be getting, and you can also press cash on delivery like this, and then you can pay this. So after pressing pay, your amount will be in your account. You can see this. Now we are getting the amount, and it is telling me that you can refer it to your friends, and you can add your address. And if you want to add any payment card, you can add it. Then contact, you can say contact, all that things. You can just add your contact details here. Then you can also just see again, like if you want to order any other thing, you can order here. We are getting the sliders, like you will be getting here fries, pasta, chop, chicken manchurian, healthy pizza, many other things we are getting in this amazing application. This is the sidebar here. Here you will be getting all the things like lending. Here you will be getting, then these are the homepage section, and then you will be getting authentication. Like this is the login page which I have shown you in the start. And then after that you will be also getting other thing, like if you want to sign up here, so you will be also getting a sign up page. You can see register page it is. You can just register here. You can enter your mobile number, password to register, or from Google account, or from here you can also register. So you can see this is the thing which we are getting. So this was the project which I want to show you. So I hope you understand this, how we are just building this application from start. So if you understand this video, and if you just enjoy this amazing project which we are building here, remember to hit a like. And we are also getting a profile section here. If I press, you can see you can move on to the profile of the user, and that trending section, then checkout and pay section which I've shown you at the start. So if you understand this video, and if you enjoy this project which we are building here, so remember to hit a like to this video. It is a different project which we are building through React here, and we will be also using JavaScript plus Tailwind CSS to give some effects in this project here. So if you understand this video, and if you just enjoy this project which we are building, so remember to hit a like to this video. And if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this amazing project here using React.js and many different languages here. So just now we'll be starting with our video from start, and seeing that how we are building this project and what things we will be using in this project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, today we are just building an amazing food delivery application. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building this amazing food delivery application using React.js. And I'm telling you that we will be also making it responsive. So we will be using Tailwind CSS in that, because you all know that when we are using Tailwind CSS, so it becomes responsive when we are building any project. So now we'll be starting with that. So for building this, I will be moving to file here, and I will be pressing new window from here to take a new window. So I will be moving to file, and I will be taking a new window. Then you have to close the VS Code window, and then here you have to move, and you have to go to file here, and after going to file, you have to open the folder. So our folder is on desktop. If I show you, you can see here is our folder online food delivery app, which is in React. So I will be now opening this. After opening this file here, you have to now just do one thing. I will be moving here, and after moving here, I will be just now moving in the file. After moving to the file, I have to do one thing, like I will be now just changing its name. Like I will be now writing here online food delivery app like this, and I will be writing it here like app in React.js. Press enter, then you have to save it, and after saving, you have to open this file in the new window. After opening it in new window, you have to now open again the folder. So our folder is on desktop, and here is our file which I have to open. So you can see now my folder has opened, and we are getting all these files. So you all know that, like in the start, I've shown you my food delivery app, and I've just also telling you that what things we are getting in this food delivery app. So there are many of the files in this food delivery app from the start. So because of that, we will be using all that stuff. So now we'll be starting with that and seeing that what we will be using. So here I will be moving to my main file, which is the just main file here. So here in this, after moving to this main file, we have to now just work with this main file. Then we will be moving on to the other files to use that as well. So here I will be now moving, and then after moving in the body, you have to remove all that stuff which we are getting here. Then you have to directly do one thing. You have to save this file, and you have to open it in the default browser. So you all know that our default browser is Google Chrome. So I will be moving it here, and this was our main file, and I will be opening it. You can see the file is totally empty. We are getting nothing. So we are only getting the baby icon at the top and the name of the brand, and we are also getting the description like online food ordering like that. Then you have to do it side by side so we can get all the codes at the right. So I will be now just moving like this. So I will be now making it at the side. And you can see like this we have done. After doing that all stuff, we have to put some of the things in that so we can make it more good looking. So here I will be now doing it like this. And after doing this, you have to now press Ctrl B to close the side panel. And this is our body. Here we will be writing all the tags now. Then after just making this tag, you have to now make a different thing here, like we will be creating a div here. So in this div, I will be now writing a class. In class, you can just write any of the class, like I will be writing here class of preloader. And you have to just do one thing, you have to move down after this and create another div class which should be like dflex, and I will be writing here align items, and then you have to write here center. Then write here justify content, then I will be writing here center vh-100. Then you have to now just write here index page. So I will be writing here index page like this. Then you have to now move down, write here div class and write here text center. And after writing, you have to just now move down again a tag. Then you have to create a file name from which we will be redirecting our to page, our main page of the login. So I've just given the URL of my file here. And then after writing the URL, you have to move in the center, write the image/logo. So this will be our logo image which we will be getting here. Then you have to write here the BR tag as well. After writing this, you have to now directly move down, create a div class of spinner. Then after writing this, you have to now directly move down here, and then you have to just after this move down with the second div tag, write here fixed bottom, which will be our class. And with this, I will be writing here D3 means padding 3, D flex, display flex, and align items. So I will be writing here align items center and write here justify content. So I will be writing here justify and center. Then you have to now directly move down, write here a tag. Then you have to now write here class. In class, I will be writing btn. So I will be writing here btn-block dflex, and I will be writing here align items. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here center. Then write btn-lg. Then you have to write here btn only like this. Then you have to now write here href, the file name, and this will be our file name here. Then you have to directly move down after this and write here get started like this, and write here itag. Then give here the class which will be like feather, and write here arrow like this. Then write here dash right ml bottom. Then when you written this, you have to now directly move down and write here script tag. Then in source, I will be writing here vendor file. Then you have to write here this tag and write here the main file name which is this. Then you have to now write here the type tag. In type, I will be writing the text and my file name like this. Then you have to move after the script tag here, and in the script tag, I will be writing source, which should be vendor slash right here bootstrap like this. So here I will be now writing like this thing, and then you have to now just make this tag as slash and write here our file name which is bundle.js. Then you have to write here type text slash
Then you have to now write here the file name. Then you have to now directly go down here. Again script text source, and I will be now writing here text. And in the text I will be now just moving here and write here type text slash JavaScript, which is the file name. Then write here source vendor and slash. Then you have to write here slip, and then you have to write here slip min.js. Then you have to move after the close script tag here and create another script tag like this. And then you have to write here type is equals to text slash JavaScript, which is the file name, and then create a tag which should be src vendor. Then in the vendor tag I will be writing here sidebar, and then you have to now write here hc of canvas map.js. So now we have linked this file as well. Then create another script source in which I will be writing js.js. Then you have to now write here type text, and then I will be writing here JavaScript. Then you have to now directly move down after this close script tag like this and create another script tag here. And after writing this tag, you have to write here window and write here onload. Then you have to now create a function tag here. And after writing this function, you have to now make this tag. Write here document dot and write here query select. Then make this tag right here preloader like this, and write here dot style dot display and write here is equals to none. Then when you've written this, you have to close this tag like this. And then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to move down here. Then you have to save it. And you can see we have just done this all the stuff. Then we have to now move to the login to the style to style the login things here which we are getting. So now we have to directly save it here, and then you have to now directly reload. So you can see now we are getting our main page, but here we have to just do one thing, save it again and then reload. You can see we are getting all that stuff. Then I will be moving to my main login file in which I will be now getting all the login things here. So now after getting these all login things, you have to directly move down in your file, and then here we have to put some of the login things here. So I will be now directly moving down like this until here I will be removing. So now you can see we are getting all that stuff like this. So here I will be moving at the top like this, and then you have to now just remove that. So till the body I will be moving like this. After doing that all stuff, you have to save and reload. Then you have to directly press get started. You can see nothing is coming because our login page is just having nothing. So we have to put some of the code so we can style our login page here as well. So now for doing that, we have to now directly go here, and you have to move down after this body tag and create a div class of preloader, and then move down after this close div and create a video tag in which I will be writing a loop. So in this I will be writing loop autoplay, and right here muted like this style is equals to, and in the style I will be now just writing here position. So you have to write here position fixed like this, and right here a tag which should be like left 0, and then you have to now just write here top 0 like this. So here I will be now just moving forward and write here top 0, and then you have to move forward and write here min width should be like 100% like this, then press backspace from here, close this tag, and then you have to write here min height, and in the min height I will be now just writing here 100% as well. Then you have to directly do one thing, you have to move down after this tag, and after moving down you have to move in the video tag. So I will be now moving down here and create a source, write here source again like this, and write here image slash bg.mp4 like this. Then you have to now directly write here type, write video slash mp4. Then you have to now write here source. So then again you have to write source, write here bg mp4 like this, write here type video slash, and then you have to write here ODB. At the back we are getting the video of the login page which I showed you in the start. So like this here we will be also getting. Then you have to move down and write here your browser does not support, and then I will be writing the video capital. Then you have to now move down, and then you have to create a div tag, create a class of login page like this, and then you have to now directly move forward, write here gh video. Then you have to now directly create a div class of like p4 and write here login. Then you have to write here page form. Then you have to move down, write here form tag, remove this action from here and write here class. So here in the class I will be writing mp5. So I will be writing here mp5 mp4 and write here action. In action I will be writing verification. So you can see here it is the file. Then you have to directly write here div, and then you have to create a class which should be form group. So here we will be now getting form group like this. Write here z, and then you have to write here mp3 position related. Then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to move down here, right here h2 class, and I will be now writing here text white. Means text color should be white, and right here I will come back like this. And then you have to move after this h2 tag, p tag create class text white, and then you have to now write here text 50 like this, and right here sign in. So here I will be now writing to continue like this thing, and then you have to move down like this and write here input, and then you have to now just move here and write here input id should be like a tool. So here I will be now writing class should be like form control like this thing, and then when you return this you have to write here flag, then you have to write here like this. Then when you return this you have to now directly do one thing. You have to write here name tool, and write here placeholder, and write here phone number like this, and then you have to write here type L. Then you have to now move down and write here button. Right here a tag which should be like class, and in class I will be writing VTN primary, and write here VTN like this, right? LG VTN block. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here send OTP. Then you have to now just move down and write here div class, and then you have to write OR and write here Sean like this, and then you have to write text center. So here I will be writing, then write here my code and write here border bottom like this. Then you have to now just move down, write here spell tag and write here for in capital. Then you have to now write here div class and create here MV3. So like this. Then you have to now create a button class and write here a tag which should be BTN LG. Then I will be writing here BTN live, and then you have to now directly do one thing. You have to write here BTN block. So here I will be now writing this. So here I will be now just moving down after this and create image tag here slash and write here envelope. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here continue with email like this, and write here a tag which should be like div class and md3 you have to write. Then write here button class, and then you have to write here btn lg and write here btn line. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to write here btn block. So here I will be now writing. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly do one thing. Here you have to move down, right here image slash will load. Then you have to write here continue. So here I will be now writing continue like this, and I will be writing here with f2 like this. Then you have to move down after this test and create div class mv3, and then write here div class row, and then you have to now just write here div class call and write here 6pr1. So here I will be now writing pr1. Then you have to now move down, right here button class, and then you have to write here btn lg and write here btn line. Then when you return this, you have to write here btn block. Then here you have to move down, right here image slash and write here Facebook. Then you have to now directly write here Facebook again. So here I will be now writing. Then when you return this, you have to directly write here div class, and then you have to write here com6 pl. Then I will be writing 1. Then you have to write here button class and write here btn lg and write here btn light like this and write btn block. Then when you return this, you have to write image tag image slash and write here search.std. Then when you return this, you have to directly do one thing. You have to move forward and write here Google like this. And then when you return this thing, just here you have to now move down after this tag and then create a tag of div class, and here I will be now writing fixed bottom like this, and then you have to write here text center, and then you have to now just write here p-3 means padding 2. Then write here p-tag class. In this class I will be writing text white and then mp1, and then you have to now just write here by continuing like this. So here I will be now writing continue you agree to me. So here I will be now writing you agree to me. Then when you just done this thing, just you have to now move down and write here p tag again, create a small tag. Then you have to now write here a tag in this and write here class. In class I will be writing text white and write here 50 border bottom like this. And then after writing this thing, just you have to now write here href like this, and in href I will be now just writing here like you can see here we have just written this thing. So I will be writing terms dot, and this will be our file, and here I will be writing terms of service like this. And when you return this thing, just I will be now moving forward, save it here and then reload. You can see we are getting all these things. Then we have to just now create a terms of service section here. Then after writing this, we have to now create a a tag, remove href and write here class of text 550, then write here border bottom and write here mx3. Then you have to write here href again and write here privacy file like this. And then you have to create here privacy policy like this. Then you have to move down right here a tag, remove this href from here and create a class of like text 5, and then create here 50 and right here border bottom should be like right like this href, right here terms, and then you have to create this file. And this I will be writing content policies. Then you have to save it. Then after saving this, you have to now directly do one thing, you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things here. Then after writing this, we have to now just move after the two div tag which we have created and create a nav tag. Here I will be now creating ID of main nav like this, and then you have to write here dual, and then you have to now just create a class here. So I will be now writing here the class which should be like second nav. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here li tag and write here index2. Then you have to now just write the file name like this, create a I tag, then you have to write class feather. So I will be now writing here feather grade mr2. Then when you return this, you have to now just move forward and write here intro like this. And then you have to now just write here li tag and write here pending file like this. Then you have to now directly write here I tag class and write here feather. And after writing feather, here I will be writing layers. Then write here mr2. Then when you return this, you have to now write here landing, and you have to just directly move down, create li tag, a tag, and write here home file like this. And then after writing this tag, you have to now create li tag class, and I will be now writing here feather like this. So after writing feather, you have to create home mr2. Then you have to now just write here home like this, or you can just directly move here and write like this. Then create a home page like this. And after writing, you have to now directly move down here and write here li tag, a tag. Then you have to write here I tag like this. Create class. In class, I will be writing here feather, edit, and write here 2. Then you have to write here mr2 like this. Then you have to now move here and write here authentication like this. And then you have to now directly move down after this. Dual tag and write here li a tag and write here the file name like this. Then you have to now directly move here and write here login. After writing this, you have to move down right here li tag, a tag, and write here sign up file. Then you have to move here and write register. So here I will be writing. Then after writing this, you have to move down right here li tag, a tag, create forgot password like this. And here I will be writing forgot password, the value which we have written. Then li tag, a tag, and here I will be writing verification. Then here I will be writing verification like this. Then you have to move down li tag, a tag, and then you have to write your location file. And in this I will be writing location. And here you have to also write a tag which should be like li tag, a tag. Here I will be writing select country, and then you have to write here select country like this. So here I will be now writing select country like this, save it. And then after saving this, you have to move after the close li tag here, create another li a tag in which I will be writing printing file. Here I will be writing I tag class, create feather, and then I will be writing printing like this. And then you have to write here up mr2 like this. Then you have to move after the I tag here and write here printing. Then you have to save it. And after saving this, you have to copy this li tag which we have written by pressing Ctrl C. So you have to move here and Ctrl C, you have to press in the end, then paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. So we have pasted many times. Then here I will be moving in the second one. Here I will be writing most popular. So here I will be now writing this. Then move here at the then move at the back, and here I will be writing feather award. Move this up from here like this. Then when you return this thing, just you have to write here mr2 which is same. Then move here in the printing file. Here I will be writing most popular. You can see here we have written. Then you have to move here as well, and then I will be writing here best. Then here you have to move, and then you have to write here yes. Then here also you have to now just move and write here checkout. So here I will be now making this. Then you have to write here map, and then you have to now this write here to. So here after this. Now when you've written this thing, just we have to move down after this and create here paper clip like this. So here I will be now writing paper clip. Then here you have to move, and after writing you have to write here file text. Then you have to now just move down right here feather list. So here I will be now writing feather list. Then here I will be writing feather map pin. Then you have to move here, and here I will be now writing graded card. Save it. Then you have to now directly move here at the top, and then here I will be moving this pending and writing here restaurant details. So here I will be writing like this. Then you have to move here and then write your recipe which we have written. So here you have to write like this. Then move here and then write your checkout. And then you have to now write here live map. So here I will be now writing live map like this. And then move here and write here payment. So here I will be now writing payment. Save it here. Then reload. So you can see now here we are getting all that stuff here. And after getting these all things, you have to now directly do one thing. You have to now just when you've written this, you have to move after the close li tag which we have written here. Then after moving in this close li tag, you have to directly do one thing. We have to now just create a tag as well, which we have created now. And after creating this a tag, you have to now just move after this li tag and create here another li tag like this. And then you have to now just write here a tag like this and write I tag last, write here feather. So here I will be now writing feather user. And I will be now just writing here MR2. And after writing this, you have to now just write here profile. And after writing profile, you have to now just move down and write here UL tag, create LI, and in this I will be writing profile. Then in this I will be writing here profile like this. And then you have to move down, create LI tag, A tag, write here favorites, and then here I will be writing favorites like this. Then you have to now just move here, and then I will be now just moving down after this tag. Write here li tag, a tag. Then you have to now just move here I tag. You have to write I class feather book. Then I will be now writing here MR2. Then I will be writing pages. So here I will be now writing pages like this. Then you have to write here UL tag and create li, a tag, and write here filters. Then you have to write like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here filters here as well. Then you have to move down here, li tag, a tag, then write here terms. Then when you've written this, you have to write here terms like this and write here terms and condition. Then when you've written this, you have to directly move down and create li tag, a tag, FAQ. Then here you have to move and write here FAQ. Then you have to move down after this li a tag, and here you have to create privacy file. And here I will be giving it the name as privacy and policy like this. Then after creating this, you have to now just move here forward, and then I will be just now moving down, and then you have to write here li tag, a tag, and create contact us file. And here you have to just make this tag and write here contact us like this. Save it. Then after saving this file, you have to now just directly move after the close li tag. So you can see this is the close li tag here. Then create another li tag, a tag, and here I will be now writing I tag and write here feather. So here I will be now writing feather alert. Then I will be writing here triangle like this, and then write here MR2. And when you written this, you have to create here error like this, and then you have to move down after this tag, and then you have to now just do one thing. You have to create UL tag, li tag, and write here a tag. Then you have to write here not found like this, and then you have to just write here not found like this. Then when you've written this, you have to create another tag here, which should be li tag, a tag, then write here maintenance. Then in center I will be writing maintenance like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now give a space from here, so you can get some spacing. Then you have to move down li tag, a tag, and write here coming soon. Then when you've written this, you have to write here coming soon like this. And then you have to just move down, write here li tag, a tag, and write here I tag class feather. Then here I will be writing link. After this, write here MR2. Then here I will be now just writing the navigation. So here I will be now writing navigation like this. Link example here. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down and create UL tag and write here li tag like this. And after writing, you have to write a tag. And in this, I will be writing link example 1. and then you have to create another UL tag here, li tag, and then you have to write here a tag and write link example to. So here I will be now writing like this. Then when you've written this, here you have to now just directly move down, write here UL tag, li tag, a tag, and write here link. Then when you've written this, you have to just copy this same tag which we have written here. Then you have to now paste it, paste it, paste it, and paste it. Now when you've written this thing, just you have to move after this tag, a tag again, write here link example, and write here like 1.2. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now move down after this tag like this, write here UL li tag, and then you have to now just paste that tag here like this. Then you have to move after the close UL li again, UL li is close. Then you have to create another li, means the same thing which we have written. So I will be now right here. So you have to now just write here, paste it, then paste it, then just you have to now move here and write here link example, and then you have to write here too, and then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move here and write here link example 3, and then you have to now just write here link example 4. Then when you've written this, you have to just directly move down, write here li tag, data here, then write here custom content. Then you have to now directly move down right here, like you can add any custom. Then I will be writing here content to your. Then when you written this, I will be writing to your navigation item like this, and here I will be writing like this. Then I will be writing this text is just an example like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down after this tag, and you have to just now do one thing, like we have written the div tag, and we have to move after li ul, then li and then ul. Create class here, it should be bottom nap. So here I will be now writing bottom nap like this, and then you have to create a tag li, create email like this. And when you've written this, you have to write a tag, then you have to create your class on href, in which I will be writing text here. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to now just do one thing, you have to move forward, right here href, home file here, and then you have to move here like this, right here tag, and then you have to write class h5 and 0. Then when you written this, you have to write here class like this, and write here feather, home like this, and write here text here. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down after this tag, then write here save it. And after saving this, you have to now directly do one thing, you have to move down after this tag, and then here I will be now writing li tag class and write here like this. And when you've written this, you have to write here a tag that equal file, then you have to now move down, and here you have to now just write here b tag class, and then you have to now just write here h5 and 0. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here item class and write here feather message. Then when you've written this thing, you have to write here circle. And after writing this, you have to now directly move down and write here. Then when you've written this thing, just you have to write like this, and you have to move down. Li tag, then you have to write here like this. And then when you've written this, you have to write here a tag on campus. Then when you've written this, you have to write here p tag. And after writing p tag, you have to now write here class h5. Then you have to write here m0. Then you have to now write here I tag, and then create here class feather like this. And then when you've written this, you have to now move down here and write the help, then save it. And after saving this, you have to now move after this tag. You can see we have written all that stuff, then you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things. If I move back, then if I press get started, you can see we are on the login page, and from here you can select any country. So I will be selecting any of your country. You can see here it is. So you can select any of the country you want, and you can use it. So you can see like this, you can do that all this stuff. You can see we are getting all these things here. After getting, we have to now move to the verification page, from which the user will move into the send OTP section. So now we have to see, you can see where it is, the verification page here. And now here we will be getting the verification things. So here we have to now directly do one thing. We have to remove this all stuff, because these are the previous things stuff, and we will be not needing this. So here I will be now moving in the body tag, and then here you have to now remove that things from here like this. Then you have to directly save this thing here, and now we have to verify that all stuff. So if I press send OTP, you can see nothing happens because our page is not here. So we have to create this page as well. So for creating this page, now we have to save it, and then you have to now directly do one thing, you have to now just move on to the verification page here. So now when you wait on this, you have to now just do one thing like here we have to now just move on to the verification page. So when you are on the verification page here, you have to now put some of the things here. So here for putting the things, like we have to put some of the classes and all that stuff. So like in the previous page, we have just put the div class. So like this, here we will be also putting. So here I will be now just moving and writing here div. So in div class you have to create. So here we will be now creating a div class. So here directly you can create a div class, like I'm telling you how to create it. So here you can see we have created a randomly div class here, and in this div class you can just write any of the class which you want to use. Like here I will be writing preloader because I will be using this one class here. Then you have to write here div class and create here a tag which should be like this, and then you have to write here verification. So here I will be now writing this, and then you have to move down, create a div class like this, and create here p3 sharp like this, and write here inner and header like this. Then write here bg white here, and then you have to now write here shadow this. Then when you written this, you have to create here div class, and then you have to create deflex. So here I will be now writing deflex like this, align items. Then you have to write here center. Now we have to move down here like this, like I will be moving in the center, and then I will be moving down, create a tag, remove this href here, and create here class. In class I will be now just writing here the class. So you can give any of the class, like we have just written this one. So you can write here font weight. So here I will be now writing font weight like this. Create bold, text start. So I will be now writing here text start like this, and write here text black. So here I will be now writing text black like this. Then you have to write here text decoration, and then you have to now write here none. Write deflex like this, and then you have to write here a tag which should be like href, and then I will be linking my file again, which will be login one. Then you have to move down and create svg. So here you have to now create a svg link here. So for creating svg link, just you have to move here and create svg tag like this, and write an xl and address. Then you have to now just write here http. Then you have to write www.w3.org. Then you have to write /2000/svg like this. Write here width 18, and then write here height 18. Fill, and in fill I will be writing here current color like this, and then you have to move here, write here class backpage, and write here bi. Then you have to write here bi chevron. So here I will be writing bi chevron. Then you have to write here none. Write here view box should be like 001616. Then you have to close this tag. After closing, you have to move down, create a path tag like this. So here I will be now writing a path tag, in which I will be writing fill rule is equals to even not. Then when you return this, you have to write here d is equals to m1.354, 1.6468, 0.5.5010, then 708, then write here L5 like this. Then when you return this 707 like this, 8, then you have to write here 5, then write 647 like this, then 5.6468.5.50 and 2. Then when you just written this, you have to now directly move forward and write here 1-.708.708 L. Then you have to now write here -6. So here I will be writing -6, -6a.5.5. Then you have to write here 0, 0, 1, 0 dash. Then you have to write 0.708 L6. Then you have to write here -6a.5.5, and write here 0, 0, 1.708. Then write here 0 small z. Then when you create that all stuff, you have to directly close it, and then you have to move down after this step. Then right here is create here the class which should be PL2. Then you have to now move down after this and create the back to login like this. And then you have to now move down, create here the class should be like MS login like this, and write here deflex align items, and then you have to now write here center. Then when you written this, you have to create a tag like this, and here I will be writing class. And then you have to now just do one thing, you have to create text star and write here mx2. Then when you written this, you have to write here top nav, and then you have to now just write here btn, create top nav again. Then after writing top nav, here you have to write btn and write here r. Now when you written this, you have to write here fsat position and write here related. And then when you written this, you now just do one thing. You have to write here href and write here contact us like this. And when you've written this, here you have to now write here iTag, and then when you've written this, you have to create class here. Class I will be writing here feather help. So here I will be now writing feather help. So like this. So you can see we have now written this, and after writing this, you have to move after that close a tag and create another a tag here, and you have to now remove this href from here. Create here the class. In class I will be writing toggle mm2 and write here text star. Then when you've written this, you have to write HCMap and write here trigger like this. And then when you've written this, you have to write HCMap1. Then you have to write here href like this and write here hashtag right rule button. Then when you've written this, here you have to now just write here area controls. Then write here is equals to, and then you have to now write here HCMap. Then when you've written this thing, yes, you have to write 1. Here you have to now move down and write here STD, Excel, and MS. Then you have to write here HTTP www.w3.org. Then I will be writing /2000/ and write here STD. Then you have to write here width should be 18, write here height 18, or you can say 24, and write here fill current color like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here class BI. Then when you've written this, write here BI this. And then you have to write here view box and write here 001616. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, create your path fill rule. Then after writing this, you have to create your path fill rule in and out. Then you have to now write here D and write here M2 0.5, 0.1, 0.5, 8.5, 0.50, 0.13, then 11 H like this, and write here 108.5. Then here you have to now just write 0, 0, and after writing this, you have to now create 1, 0, 1. Then you have to write here H3, 8.5, 0.5. Then you have to write here 0, 0, 1 dash. Then here I will be writing 0.5 dash 0.5 Z M. Then you have to write 0 dash 4, 8.5, 0.5. And then you have to now just write here 0, 0, 1. And then you have to now write here 3, 7 like this. And then you have to now just write here H10 A.5.5 0, 0, 1, 0. Write here 1 again, write here H3 like this thing. Then you write here A.5.5 again, write here 0, 0, 1, and then write here dash 0.5 dash 0.5. So dash here I will be now writing dash 0.5 like this, and write here Z and 0 like this thing, and then write here dash 4 8. Write 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, H1, 0. Then I will be writing 8.5, 0.5. Then write here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, H3 like this. And then write here 8.5, 0.5, 0, 0, 0. And write here 1, dash 0.5. And then you have to now just write here dash 0.5 Z like this. Now when you have created this path file here, you have to now close this tag here. So closing, you have to now move like this. After closing this tag, you have to move after the 3 divs which we have created here, and then you have to create another div of class which should be like verify. So I will be now writing here verify dash number underscore number. Then you have to now write here p dash code. Then you have to move down, write here h2 class and write here mv3. Then you have to now create verify dot. Then I will be writing here br10 like this, press backspace here, and I will be writing phone number like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down, write here f6 like this thing, and write here class text block. So here I will be now writing text black and write here 50. Now you have to move in the center, write here enter your OTP. Then here I will be writing code here. Then you have to now move down, write here on. In action, I will be writing version file. So here I will be now writing like this. And then when you've written this thing, just here you have to write like this tag. And after writing this thing, you have to now just do one thing. You have to now move after this tag down and write here div class and write row. Where in row I will be writing my file and write here nx0. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down and write here div class and write here all pr. Then I will be writing here 1pl0. Then I will be now moving down, write here input type number. Then I will be writing here value code. Write here class form control and write here form control LD. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down here like this and write here date class, and then you have to write here a tag which should be like all px2 like this, and write here input type number and write here value 0. Write class, and in class I will be writing form control like this, and write here form control LG. Then when you return this, you have to now directly move down like this, write here class called px2. Then you have to now write your type number like this and write your value 8. Write here class home control and write here home control again. So here I will be now writing home control. Then I will be writing here LG. And you have to now just move down, write here div class, and then you have to create a tag which should be like for PL, and write here one, write here PR2. Then you have to move down, write here input type number and write here value 0. Write here class home control. Then when you return this, you have to write here form control and write LG. Then you have to now move down like this and write here button. So here I will be now writing button like this, class BTN. Write here LG BTN primary like this and write here BTN block. Then you have to move it center and write here verify now like this. Save it. And then you have to move down after this tag and write here map tag like this, ID name map. So here I will be now writing. After writing this thing, here you have to now create a tag which will be like 12 and write here class second name like this. And then you have to now move down after this li tag, a tag, and create here the file name which should be like this one. Then here I will be writing I tag class and write here feather grade. So here I will be now writing feather grade like this. And after writing this, you have to write here MR2. Now you have to move here and write here intro. So here I will be now writing like this. And then you have to move down, write here li tag, and then write here a tag, and write ending. Then you have to write here file name like this. Write here I tag class and write here feather layers. Then I will be now writing here MR2. Then when you return this, you have to now move down and write here language like this, and write just you have to move down, create li tag, a tag, write here file name like this, and then you have to create I tag class and write here feather home like this, and then you have to write here MR2. Now when you return this, you have to create a tag like this in the shape like this. Now when you return this, you have to now create home page, and after writing this tag, you have to move down, write here li tag, and then you have to write here a tag, write here I tag like this, and create here class feather, and then you have to write here edit 2. Then when you return this, you have to write here 2 like this, write here MR2 like this, and then in center I will be writing authentication and save it here. Then you have to move down after this tag, UI tag, and create li, a tag, write here login file like this, and write here login. Then you have to simply copy this thing like this. Yes, Control C, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. Then here I will be now writing select country like this. Then move here, and then I will be now just writing here like location. Then you have to move here and then write here just verification like this. Then move here, and then I will be now just writing here like forgot password. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to move here, and then here I will be writing register. Save it here, and then you have to move in this file and write here register. Here when you return this, you have to now just write here sign up. So here I will be now writing like this, and then you have to write here forgot. Then when you return this, just here you have to move in this and write here verification like this, and now write here location. Then you have to now write here select country like this, save it. Then when you return this, you have to move down right here. Now this text here. Then you have to create a trending file, means all that file which we have created in the previous file. So I will be opening my main file here, and then I will be moving down here in this file, and you can see we are getting all the tags and all the things in this file. You can see this. So you have to directly move here, and then you have to copy that all the stuff which we are getting here, and then you have to move in this file and paste that all the stuff here. Save it. After saving the file, you have to now directly move down, create a tag, I tag class, and here I will be writing feather user. And then you have to now just write here a tag which should be like MR2. Then when you return this, you have to write here profile like this, save it. And then you have to now after saving, you have to directly move after the UI tag. So here I will be now moving down, create UI tag here, li tag I will be now writing a tag, and write the profile name, means profile file here. Then you have to now directly write your profile like this, and then you have to now move down after this tag and create a tag li. Then you have to create a tag and write your favorites like this. Then you have to now write here like this thing and write your favorites. And after writing this tag, you have to now directly do one thing. You have to now move down after this tag. You can see we have created this all stuff like we want. Then after writing this here, you have to now just copy this tag and then you have to paste it. And after pasting this, you have to move down, create li tag here, a tag, and write here I tag, class, and write here feather book. So here I will be now writing feather book mr2. Then you have to now just write here pages like this. Then when you've written this pages, you have to now move down after this tag, create a UL tag, lia tag, and then write here filters. Then when you've written this, you have to move here in the center, write here filters like this, and create another tag of lia tag and create here terms. Then here I will be now moving and write here terms and conditions like this. Then when you written this, you have to now move down, create li tag, a tag, and write here FAQ. Then you have to now just move here and then write here FAQ. Then you have to move down, write here li tag, a tag, and write here privacy file here. Then center I will be now just writing here privacy, and then you have to write here privacy and policy like this. And when you written this, you have to now directly move down like this thing, and you have to write here li tag. And after writing li tag, you have to write here contact us file like this, and then here I will be writing contact us. Then when you written this, you have to move down, write here li tag, a tag, and write here I tag like this class. And in class I will be writing feather alert, and then you have to write here triangle and write here mr2. Then when you written this, you have to write here error. Then when you just done with this thing, just here I will be now writing here UL li a tag and write here not found file and create a not found like this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, create a tag which should be li a tag and write here maintenance, and then you have to give a space and write here maintenance. Then when you've written this, move down li a tag and write here comments, and then you have to make here a tag which should be like comments like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down li tag a tag and write here hashtag I tag class and write here feather link, and then write here mr2, and you have to now write here navigation. Then here I will be now writing navigation link exactly like this. Then after writing this, you have to now directly do one thing. You have to now move after this tag and create a UL tag like this and write here li tag. After writing li tag, you have to now write here a tag and write link exactly one. Then after writing this tag, you have to now move down after this and create UL tag. And after writing UL tag, you have to write li, create a tag and write here link example like this and write here 1.1. Then when you've written this, you have to write here UL tag and create li a tag and write here a tag which should be like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now just press Ctrl C to copy this tag like this, and then you have to paste it. And after pasting this, you have to move down, create li tag, a tag, and write here link example and write here 1.2. Then when you've written this, you have to move down after this UL tag and write here li tag, means all that stuff. Then paste it and write here like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down and write here like just you have to paste it and write here example 2. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down, write here li a tag and write here link example 3 like this. And then you have to move down after this, write here li a tag and write here link example 4. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down and write here li tag and write data name and write here custom, write here content. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly move down, write here this class and write here custom message. And then when you've written this, you have to now directly do one thing. You can just now add a thing here, like you can add, like I will be writing the message like you can add any custom, and here I will be now just writing you can add any custom content to your navigation. Then I will be now just writing items. Then you have to write this text is just then example. Then you have to now directly move down after the li UL, then li and then UL. Write here UL tag class and here I will be writing bottom line. Then you have to now write here li tag class UL like this, and then you have to now write here a tag which should be like e tag. Then I will be now writing the class which should be like text here. And here you have to now write here exit and create file like this. Then you have to now move down right here b tag. Then you have to create class, and then you have to now write here h5 m0. Then you have to now create item like this class and write here feather home. And then you have to now just write here text here. Then when you return this, you have to create a tag like this here, which should be like home. And then when you return this, you have to now just write here li github like this. And then you have to now write here a tag and write FAQ like this. Then when you return this, you have to write a p tag class and then write here h5 and 0. Then when you return this, you have to now write here I tag class and write here a tag which should be like feather message. Then you have to write here circle. Then when you return this, you have to move down after this tag, write here FAQ. Then you have to now move down, write here li tag class and write here copy like this. Then when you return this, you have to write here a tag and write here contact this file. Then you have to move down, create here b tag class and write here h5 and write here m0. Then when you return this, you have to write here I tag class and write here feather and write here dash. Then when you return this, you have to move down after this tag and then write here help. Then when you return this, here you have to now just do one thing. You have to now just save this tag here like this, and then you have to reload. You can see now we are getting all the menus here like this, and when I'm pressing back to login, so it is taking me to the login page again. Then if I press send OTP, so it will be taking me to the page of send OTP here, and we are also getting our all the things style. Then if the user press verify now button, so what happens here? So you can see I just put this all this stuff here, and if I just show you at the top, I just put that if a user press verify button, so what happens like this. So here if I move, you can see this is the verify now button which we have just put here to this our file. Then when you are just getting that all the stuff here, we have to now move to our main page, which is the page here, and you can see this is the page I showed you. You can see this is the page like if I move here, and you can see this is the page of like I have shown you like verification before. And if I move to this page, so you can see this is our landing page here which we are getting. So I will be now moving here at the back. Then I will be now moving to my landing page. So where is the landing page? There it is, landing file here. Then I will be pressing Ctrl V to close side panel. Then I will be moving and creating a landing stuff here. So I will be now moving down after this tag, which we are just now creating. So I will be now moving at the top and removing all that stuff there because this was the previous stuff which we have put. So I will be now moving here and then have to remove that stuff. Then you have to save it and press verify. Now you can see nothing is here. All the things is empty. Now we have to put the things here so we can fill this landing page section now. So here for doing that, you have to move in the body needs main tag here, and you can just now just make the things working and going here. So we have to now start it from the class name. So you have to create a div class of same preloader which we have created in the previous section here. Then you have to create a div class here, and in the div class you have to write vh100. Then you have to write a landing page like this, and then in the landing page I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like escape. Then you have to now directly move down, create a tag and write here class, and in class I will be now just writing here position absolute like this, and then here you have to now just do one thing. You have to now move forward and write here btn sm btn outline, and write here a tag which should be like outline primary like this. I will be writing, and write here m4 like this, and write here. Then you have to write here exit and write location file. Then you have to create here escape. Then you have to now write here item class, and then you have to write here feather chevron. Then you have to now write here right. Then when you return this, you write here chevron's right like this. Then you have to move down, write here div class and create here sound like this, and then you write here slider. Then when you return this, you have to create this class and write here like this one. Then I will be now writing here slider. Then when you return this, you have to now write here item like this, write text center. Then when you return this, you have to create div class, and then you have to now just write here dflex align. Then I will be now writing here item center. Then you have to write here justify content. Then I will be now writing like this justify content center, and write here vh100. Then you have to write here flex column like this. Then when you return this, you have to move down, create image tag like this, write here slash and write here landing one. Then when you return this, Here you have to now just move like this and write here image move like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here mx auto. Then when you've written this, you have to now just move after this tag and write here export class and write my export and write here tag start like this. Then when you've written this, you have to create this cover and write here place near to. Then when you've written this, you have to now just move down after this tag, write here p tag and write we make it simple. Then I will be writing we make it simple to find the code. Then I will be writing new page like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here enter your. Then I will be writing address and let us do the rest. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down, create div class and write here like this. And then write here slider item and write here text center like this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, create div class and write here deflex like this. And then you have to now write here align items like this thing and write here in center and write justify content. And then you have to now write here center vh100 and then you have to write here flex column. Then after writing this, you have to now just directly do one thing. You have to move down after this tag, write here image tag slash and then write here landing to. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here class like this and create a class of image page. Then you have to write here mx auto. Then when you've written this, you have to move after this tag. Then you can write here export class and write here my code. Then I will be now writing text bar. Then when you've written this, you have to write here choose a tasty dish like this. Then when you've written this, you have to move down, write here tag and write menu order like this and write here eat street like this and write here we will like this and I will be writing specials and so you can see we have just now written that all this stuff here. Then you have to create another div class after the two divs which we have created means the close two divs. Then you have to create another div class of like this and then you have to give here the slider and write here item. Create a tag which should be like text center here. Then I will be now writing here div class like this and create here deflex and write here align items. And then when you've written this, you have to write here align item center. Right here justify content. So here I will be now writing justify content like this center and then write here vh100 and write flex column. Now when you've written this, you have to move down, write here image slash landing page. Then when you've written this, you have to create class image fluid. Then when you've written this, you have to write here mx auto. Then you have to now just directly move down and create here export class and then you have to write here my code and write here text bar. Then in center I will be writing pick up like this and I will be writing all delivery. Then when you've written this, save it and when you've just done these all things, just you have to do another thing like you have to move after it down here and write here we make and then I will be writing here food ordering like this and write here fast, simple. Then you have to write here add free. Then I will be writing no matter if you order online or cash like this. Then when you've written this thing, just you have to move down after this tag and move down after the four divs which we have create a nav tag and write here ID should be main nav. Then when you've written this, you have to move down and after moving down this, you have to create a dual tag and create class second tag. So here I will be writing second tag, write here li tag, a tag and write here index file like this. And when you've written this, you have to write here li tag class, write here feather. Great. Then I will be now writing here mr2. Then when you've written this, you have to now just directly write here intro. Then when you just done with this, you have to now directly move down, write here li tag, a tag, write here landing like this. Then when you've written this, you have to write here class, which should be feather, and write here layers and write mr2. Then when you've written this, you have to write here landing. Then when you just done with this thing just here, I will be moving down right here a tag and write home file like this and write here I tag class and write here feather home. Then when you've written this, you have to write here mr2. Then when you've written this, you have to now directly write a tag here which should be like home page. Then when you just done with this, you have to now directly move down, create li tag like this and then you have to write here a tag. Then I tag class and write here feather and write edit to. So here I will be now writing feather edit to like this And after writing this, you have to write here MR2. Then you have to move here and write here, give a space, and then you have to write here authentication. Like this. Then you have to save it. And after doing that, all things, just you have to do another thing live. So just like I'm telling you, we have just done till here. If I show you, you can see. And now when you've just written that all stuff here, you have to now directly do one thing. We have to move after this ally tag which we have just created. If I show you, you can see here we have just created this a tag here. And after creating this, you have to move down and create a UL tag underneath this. Right here li a tag and right here login file like this. Then when you return this, you have to create here login as well. Now when you're done with this all stuff here, you have to move down and create another li tag. Here I will be writing sign up like this. So here you have to now write this and write here register. Then after writing this register, you have to move down, create li tag and write here forgot. Then when you return this, you have to now directly write here forgot again. Then after writing forgot, here you have to write password like this. Then you have to now move down and write here a tag which should be like li a tag and create here verification. Then after writing this verification, you have to write here as well verification. And then you have to move down after this and you have to create here li tag and a tag. Then you have to write here location like this. And then you have to now write here location. And after writing this, you have to move down, write here li tag, a tag, and write here select country and write here select country as well. And then when you return this two things here, you have to now directly move down, create li tag, a tag, and write here trending. And then you have to move here and write here I tag create class, which should be feather trending. Then I will be now writing here up MR2. Then here I will be moving, and after moving, you have to write here trending like this. Then you have to move down, create li tag, a tag, and write here most popular. So I will be now writing this. Create I tag and write here feather like this. And then you have to now write here award and write here MR2. And after writing this, you have to move after this I tag and write here most popular like this. And then you have to now just move after this li tag here. And then create another li tag, a tag, create a restaurant. And then you have to write here I tag and write here class feather like this. And after writing feather, you have to now just write here paper clip. And after writing paper clip, you have to write here MRP. Then when you return this, you have to now just write here restaurant. And after writing here, you have to move. And then you have to write here restaurant like this. And then you have to now write here detail. Then when you return this thing, just I will be moving down after this tag. And then I will be writing here li tag, a tag. And then you have to write here recipe like this. Then when you return this thing, you have to write here I class and write here feather dash and write here file text and write MR2 like this. Then when you return this, you have to write here recipe. Then when you just done with this, you have to move down after this li tag, close li tag. Then write here a tag here and write checkout. Then when you return this, you have to create here I tag class feather. Then I will be now just moving here after this and create a tag here which should be list MR2 like this. And then you have to now just do something here like I will be moving here and write here checkout like this. And then you have to now just move after this tag. And after moving down, create li tag, a tag, web file here I will be now writing. Then you have to now write here I tag like this. Create here class and I will be writing here feather list and write here MR2 like this. Now when you return this, you have to create here map pin. So here I will be now writing map pin like this and write here MR2. Then you have to create here live map like this. And when you return this thing, just move after this li tag, create another a tag and write here payment. So here I will be now writing payment like this. And I tag create here feather. And after writing here, you have to write credit card like this. And when you return this, you have to write here MRP. Now when you just done with this, you have to now write here payment like this and write here another tag down. So here I will be moving after this li tag, create another li tag, a tag, write here I tag class and write here feather user. Then I will be now writing here MR2. Then you have to create here profile. So here I will be now writing profile like this. Then you have to now just move down after this, create here UL tag. So here I will be now moving down, create here UL tag, li tag and write here a tag. Then write here profile. And after writing profile here I will be now writing profile like this. Then you have to now directly move down, write here li a tag and write here favorites. Then you have to now write here like this and write here like this. Then you have to write here favorites like this, like this. Then you have to save it. And after saving this, you have to move after the UL close and li close tag. Right here li a tag and right here I tag. Create class here. In class I will be writing feather book like this and right here mr2. Then you have to now write here pages like this and right here UI tag. Then you have to move down right here li tag and right here a tag. And then you have to now write here filters file like this. Then you have to write here filters again. Then when you return this, you have to move down, right here li tag, a tag like this, and then you have to now this right here comes. And then after writing comes, you have to write here comes and condition like this. Then when you return this, you have to now just move forward and then you have to move down, create a tag here and write here FAQ, and then you have to now write here FAQ again like this. Then you have to move down, create li a tag and write here privacy, and then you have to write here privacy as well and write here and policy like this. Then when you return this, you have to move down, create li a tag and write here contact us like this, and then you have to now write here contact us. Then when you return this, write here li a tag and write here I tag. Then when you return this thing, you have to now just directly write here class which should be feather alert, and then write here triangle like this and write here mr2. Then you have to write here parrot like this. Then you have to now just move down, write here UL. And after writing UL, here you have to move down and then you have to just move forward here. And after moving forward, just you have to move down. Write here UL tag li, write here a tag and write not found. Then you have to just write here not found as well. Then when you return this, you have to move down li tag a tag and write here maintenance. Then when you return this, you have to write here maintenance like this. Then when you return this, you have to move down and write here li tag a tag. Then write here coming soon. Then when you return this, you have to write here as well coming soon like this. And then you have to now write here li tag and write here a tag. Then you have to now write here I tag like this and write here feather link. And after writing this, just you have to write here mr2 like this. Then here you have to now just write here navigation and write here link example. Then when you just return this, you have to now move down, and after moving down here you have to create UL tag, li tag like this, and then you have to now write here a tag and write here link example 1. So here I will be now writing like this. Then when you return this, you have to now directly do one thing. You have to move after this tag here and then write here UL tag and write li tag and write a tag. Then you have to write here link example. Then I will be now writing here 1.1. Then you have to write here UL, and in UL I will be writing li a tag and create here link tag. Then you have to now just copy this link tag like this by pressing Ctrl C, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it. Then you have to now directly move down li tag, create a tag and write here link example. So here I will be now writing link example 1.2 like this, and then you have to write here UL and write paste, 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 paste. Then when you return this, you have to move after that to ULLI tags and then write here li tag here as well. Then you have to write here link example. Then you have to write here 2, and then you have to write here li tag and write here link example 3. Then when you return this, you have to move down li tag and write here link example 4. Then when you return this, you have to write here li tag and write here data dash nav custom. Then I will be now writing here content like this. Then when you return this, you have to write here div class and then you have to now write here custom message. Then when you return this, you have to move down, write here you can add any custom. Then when you return this, you have to write here you can add any custom content to your. Then I will be writing navigation items like this. Right here this text is just an example. Then when you just return this, you have to move after this div and li tag plus UL and li tag which we have created here. So here I will be now just moving down after this tag, create here another UL, and in this I will be writing bottom here and then right here li tag, create class and then right here email. Then write here a tag and then you have to write here class which should be like text ranger. So here I will be now writing text ranger like this. Create here attribute which I will be writing here my profile like this, and then you have to write here p tag, create class here which should be h5 and write here m0. Then when you return this, you have to create here I tag class and write here feather home. Then you have to write here text ranger. Then you have to now just do one thing. You have to move after this close p tag here, create home. Then you have to now directly move down, right here li tag create class GitHub like this, and then you have to now write here a tag, right here FAQ with file like this. Then you have to now write here b tag, and right here a tag which should be like here I will be writing the file name, and the file name will be h5, and here I will be now writing here h5 and s0. Then you have to now write here I tag, right here class should be feather message, then I will be writing this also. Then when you written this, you have to now directly move down after this b tag, right here FAQ. Then you have to now move after this b tag and right here class, li class which should be like this. Then you have to now write here a tag and write here contact just like this. And then you have to now write here p tag. And after writing p tag, you have to write here class h5 and 0. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here item like this class and write here feather too. So here I will be now writing feather too. Then you have to now just move down after the host p tag here and write here help. And after writing help, you have to now move after this help tag, and then you have to save it. So you can see we have now done that all the stuff like we want to do. Then you have to directly reload it here. So you can see when we have reload, you can see our slider is working and we are getting all the things like we want, and it is looking really awesome. You can see how good looking is that. So we are getting all the things like we want in our slider, and now just if I show you, so our application will be ready here in our place. So here now if I just show you, by pressing this skip button, you can see here is our location page here. And if I press use current location, so it will be showing me my landing page and it will be redirecting me to my application. You can see when I press this, so it is redirecting me to my application page. So it is getting all the things like we want. Now I will be doing it responsive, so I can show you like what things we are getting in the demo. So here we are also getting that all this stuff here as well. Then here you have to now directly do one thing, like here I will be moving and doing it inspect like this. You can see now we are getting all the restaurant menus things like we want. If I show you like this, and here I will be moving, you can see all the menus we are getting like I was just showing you. So you can see we are getting all the menus like at the top we are getting like we are just getting the food items like we are getting fries, cheese, burgers, pizza and all that stuff. Then we are also getting trending this week, means what are the trending products of this application, means this food delivery application. And then we are also getting down that like home and the location here, then favorites of the user, profile of the user. You can see from here you can go to the delivery support. You can see these are the delivery section which we are getting here. Then here we are also getting the favorites option. You can see you can add your favorites here. You can see message, you can read the rating and reading here. You can also just put your own comment here. You just give your own comment on your rating. You can see like this. You can press proceed to checkout here, and by proceeding to checkout here, you can just see the amount which you have to pay through proceed to checkout. Then you can pay this amount through your card, means through online payment you can do, or on cash you can also do. So I will be pressing pay. Now you can see it is asking that card number. If you want to write, you can do. If you want net banking, you can select any one bank, and if you want cash delivery, you can select cash delivery and pay. So you can see now it is saying me you have paid, and now it is asking me to add any payment card. So you can add a payment card as well if you want to add. Then here we are getting all that stuff like all the trending products, and you can see we are also getting more trending. If I move, so this is the trending section, then this is our main section here, and then if I move on the favorites, here you will be getting all the favorites dish of the user. You can see this, and then after at the right we are getting profile, which I showed you. This is the profile section here. Then this is the sidebar. You can see we are getting intro, and in the intro you can see you will be getting this thing. Then send OTP, verify now, escape, and then use current location. And this was the intro. Then you can also move to the landing page. Here it is, the landing page which we are getting. Then after this we are getting the home page, which is the center one, means this was page center one page here. Then here we are also getting like most popular things. You can see these are the most popular products on this side. And if I press inspect, you can see here now in inspect you can see all that stuff. You can see how good looking is that. In inspect we can just see it all. And then we are also getting like all that stuff here down. It is looking also really awesome. You can see this and really good. So we are getting like burger, fries and all that stuff like we want here. Like this, you can see this how good looking is that. So like this you can just use that all this stuff here, and I hope you understand how we have just done that. All things you can see like we are getting all the products picture as well, means all the food pictures also we are getting what are trending here. Then you can move to the sidebar and you can just directly move to the home page here. You can also move to set the authentication here. You can see we are getting all the products working, and we are also getting it responsive looking. And this was our amazing application which we have just built from start. So I hope you understand how we have built this amazing application, means how to build this amazing food delivery application or online food delivery application which is for mobile, and how to build it from start using React.js. I hope you understand this. So it is a full stack application. Because of that, we have just used React.js in that to build this, and I hope you understand how we have used React.js from start to build this application and what things we have used in this application. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing project which we have built from start, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing applications using these all amazing languages. And I will be uploading more videos using these all things, and I hope that will be really helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.